In this video, you will learn how to merge two PDFs or combine two PDFs into one on Mac for free. So here on the screen, I have two different PDFs. Learning is one PDF1 and learning is one PDF2. Let's open and see what's in there. Just a random page. This is my PDF1 and what's in PDF2. This is my PDF2, another random page. What I want to do is I want to combine both of them into one. So all I have to do is select both of them, right click, go to quick action and create PDF. That's it. I can name it PDF3. And if you will see, let's open this document, open this PDF, and both the PDFs are combined in here. This is my PDF2, this is my PDF1. Now, the only thing is I wanted my PDF1 to come before PDF2. The pages are in reverse order. So how can we fix that? I want this, my learning is fun PDF1 as the first page. So I'm going to select this first, hit command, select the other one. So I just have to select the PDFs in the order that I want them to come up in my combined PDF. And then again, go to quick actions. So right click, go to quick actions, create PDF. And let's call it PDF4 and drag here. Let's open it. So now you have, this is my PDF1 show up before this is my PDF2. That's it. That's how easy and quick it is. And the functionality is right there in your Mac. You don't have to go to a website. You don't have to go online, upload your documents and then merge them. But if you don't have a MacBook and you do in fact want to go merge your PDF online, then I will be talking about that in my next video. Thank you.